I'm Taylor and I did the Food Freedom Foundation course. Since starting, I've actually been really good with my water habit. Before I was not drinking like any water, maybe, and now I'm consuming like almost 80 to 120 ounces a day. Yeah, so it's like three of these. It helps me feel like totally different in my skin and everything like that. And then also, I'm just more mindful overall. The biggest thing is like, when I'm out and about doing things, being more, mindful of the decisions I'm making and the food that I'm choosing, reading the labels, and just being like one with, whatever's going on, being in the present, instead of like as in the future, in the past, because that's what was causing a lot of stress. The thing that made me overcome my hesitations was just putting myself first and prioritizing me. Like I've done a course before. I was in such a place that I was like, oh, I don't know what to do, like feeling like depressed and stressed out about everything with work, like I said, and my health, that I was like, why not give it a try? And then also the course was on sale, so I was like, I will definitely, it's worth it, right? It's like it's 6 weeks of my time at minimum, and if not more, I can that'd be even better for me. So I put myself first. That's what made me decide. But like overall, I think that it really put me into the mindset that I was not in. So like that's been super good for me, like overall, like how I was before this course feeling and how I feel now is like totally different in the best way possible. I lost about 5 pounds because I did a course previously with Andrea and it kind of brought back those things, which was really positive for me. Um, so definitely put me in a better mind state, help me work through like different things challenges that I've had and get me back on track, like overall healthier eating habits and just habits in general and how to handle my stress. So overall, since the course, I've improved totally like 100% mentally. I mean, it's been great as always working with you and,
Thank you.
um, I definitely look forward to putting this more into practice, the things that I have a friend who has asked me in the past, and I always tell them, like, just do it, just pull the trigger, like, just book it, because she's one person that's also a little, like, you know, money insecure, like, should she invest in something like that? And I always tell her it's totally worth it. The next course, like, you should definitely jump into it because it's not just about nutrition. It's not just about like the food that you consume or should or shouldn't consume, but it's more like the biggest thing about about working with you in this course in general is it's more about like the mind and being mindful and those types of things in combination with the food that you consume, the exercising that you do. And I think it's really important because nutrition overall is not just about what you eat and what like the working out. It's about the whole thing. And I think this is a different perspective than, I've ever seen somebody approach. So when I have friends talk to me about, what I work on, what I'm doing, I always recommend it because sometimes I think people forget that it's not just about the food. My skin has been overall so much clearer. And then I feel more energized throughout the day. I have more energy to do things that I like wouldn't do. So I'm more active, I'm more alert and focused on certain things in my workday and in my day to day, you know, everything I'm doing. So that's helping. And then also, because I'm drinking water consistently, I'm, less snackish and I feel more full throughout the day.